Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in Capcut step by step. Auto captions allow Capcut to automatically generate subtitles from your video's audio, making your content more accessible and engaging. So let's get started. First, open Capcut on your computer. Once Capcut launches, click on New Project to create a new editing project. Next, import the video you want to edit by clicking the Import button and selecting your video file. After importing the video, drag it from the media library onto the timeline. Now, look at the toolbar located above the timeline and click on Text. Under the Text section, select Auto Captions. A new panel will appear where you can configure the Auto Captions settings. First, choose the language spoken in your video. Next, select whether you want Capcut to generate captions from the video's original audio or from a voiceover track if available. Once you've selected your settings, click Generate or Create Auto Captions. Capcut will now analyze the audio and automatically create captions for your video. Depending on the length of your video, this process may take a moment. Once the captions are generated, they will appear both on the preview screen and as separate caption tracks on the timeline. Review the captions carefully, as automatic transcription may occasionally contain errors. To edit a caption, simply click on the caption text and make any necessary corrections. You can also customize the appearance of your captions by changing the font, size, color, style, position, and animation options. After you're satisfied with your captions, preview your video to make sure everything is synchronized correctly. And that's it, you've successfully added auto captions in Capcut. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Capcut tutorials and video editing tips. See you in the next video.